You know you would love to live and play at your very own condo in the heart of Sunriver. Close to all the resort amenities, to the seasonal activities of surrounding communities and to the Cascade Mountains. Maintenance-free resort living can be your vacation dream come true. Play, relax, live it up or tone it down without worrying about the tasks of a standalone property. Easy flow and a treehouse view give the common areas a spacious open feel. Enjoy the wood-burning fireplace on cool evenings and easy access to the enclosed deck on warm sunny days. Bring family and friends to Sunriver and entertain indoors or out. Take them on a quick journey through the neighborhood to the river or to Cardinal Landing for the day. Watch the local wildlife, peruse the neighborhood and enjoy sunny days out on the deck.